Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods, and in this video, I'll be showing you some home decor products. And in fact, not exactly home decor; they are used in hotels, restaurant, and several places for the decoration purposes. These are broadly the pedestal designs, and these are used as the flower pot stands and for other decoration purposes also. If you have some really beautiful insignia or something like a memorable shield or something, you can place over it, and it works as a stand for those items. This one is the Corinthian design. You may have seen in old Roman buildings, and I think in US this design is visible at several places in the government buildings. The top is the Corinthian design. The height is 3 feet, and this part is 14 inches. Inner part is 12 inches wide. In fact, it's a 14 inches square, we can say, with the top part. And this one is in champagne leafing and with the brownish highlights that you see here. As per the client's choice, we have done it. And the beautiful design in solid wood, I'll show you from all the sides, is a 360-degree carved pillar, similar from all the sides, and a complete hand carved element. The designing that you see is done by master artisans. As you may have seen other products of ours, we are hand carving people. We make everything, all the items, 99.9% items, except the idol work, the figure work, the statue work. All these items are made by hand. Other than that, we have two side stools, and these are round stools. Leg to leg, this is 24 inches. The top is 18 inches round diameter, and again, a four-leg beautiful stool in champagne leafing, brown highlighting, 3 feet high, and in teak wood. These are frequently used. You may have seen the politicians meeting at different places, and they have two chairs and these kind of stools sitting there with some decorative element on the top, like some vase or some other designer stuff. These are also used as side tables for the sofa set. So in the corners, you can place them, and you can place some statue or other things on top of it. It looks really nice. If you want a smaller size, that can also be provided. You want a wider size, that can be provided. This is again a pedestal design in 3 feet high. This is 12 by 12 inches wide. And you may have seen this design several times, frequently used in hotels for decorative purposes. And this is a solid piece of pillar here. This is solid wood and white with antique gold leafing. This is not paint, this is antique gold leafing. And again, in solid teak wood. This is a heavy thing because the pillar is solid and the designs are visible right here. I'll show you from all the sides. Again, this part, again, a 360-degree carved, nicely crafted pillar design for the pedestal. These are just few items I'm showing you, and I'm making a separate video because generally when we make it with several other items, these small items tends to not visible very clearly in those bigger items. And here you can see the designs. Apart from these, if you have seen our portfolio, if you have seen our website or our other videos, you will see more than 1400 videos with different stuff: sofa sets, dining sets, temples, and then we have wall partitions, chula, swings, and so much other stuff. Almost everything that you require in a home, be it a server or a console table, mirror frame, and then we have display units and the crockery units. All that stuff we have, and everything in beautiful hand carving by the master artisans that we are delivering across the globe. When we talk about global delivery, there are a few things. First, the shipment part, because every place has its own issues, has its own compliances and rules and regulations, and we have delivered in more than 55 countries already. If you look at our testimonial section on the website, you will find hundreds and hundreds of pictures there. Everything real stuff that we have delivered to different places in India and out of India. And these are the pictures from different homes. And these pictures can also work. In fact, they are working as a example for a lot of designers and architects who are picking ideas from these pictures how to decorate your home. The other advantage from these pictures is that when you are selecting something and you have so much choice in terms of sizes, designs, colors, and fabrics, and all the items as per your requirement, you generally get confused. So the easier way is you take an example, and here are the examples how they are designed how the wallpaper is, the wall panels are, the color of the walls, curtains, the chandeliers, and the vases, and the carpets, rugs. All these things are already placed. The wooden flooring or the marble flooring, and how that particular item is looking at in that situation in that area. So I'll give you a very good idea. If you are planning for some color and something is matching to your home, you can easily understand how it will look in your place. So it gives a much better idea and very good example on deciding things. Here at Arson, we make choice furniture. So what you like, we make that, and at factory price. When we are making here, you are receiving there. We don't have any trader, any commission agent, anyone in the middle who takes extra money or part of profit. So you always get the best price. And we are in a small city, our expenses are quite less as compared to the bigger cities. So we make it in very cost effective prices. And the quality is arson. Arson is an international trademark now. In 35 countries, we are registered, and we match our quality up to our brand. That is the basic thing. When we have a brand, we have to do the quality work. We cannot compromise on that. Rest is you can see on the website or on the YouTube videos. Check what you like. The number is right here. Contact us. Let us know what you want. We'll make it deliver to your home in India or out of India at factory prices and as per your choice. Thank you. Dhanyavad.